Hi everybody, I'm Elana. I am the food ambassador allergy student on campus, and this season is teal pumpkin season for food allergy awareness. So we're going to make a Halloween recipe for you guys. It's called bananas with the ghost theme. And we got a bunch of different ingredients that we're going to show you, and then also we're going to show you some allergy friendly treats that you can do that are non-food examples. So like I said, we're going to be making the bananas recipe, and we're going to take some of our ingredients and melt them, and while we're doing that, I'll talk to you guys about some allergy friendly treats that you can do for Halloween. So we have some olive oil right here, and a chef tip that I just learned is to add a little bit to your bowl to help make the chocolate a little bit more liquidy so that it kind of cooks your whatever you're dipping into it better. So I just put a little bit in there, and I'm going to pour in these Nestle Toll House white chocolate chips for the ghost kind of color. If you are allergic to dairy, this is not safe, but there is Enjoy Life where you can make like a chocolate version, or you can use dairy-free yogurt. I like this So Delicious. It is dairy-free, it should be gluten-free, all of those kinds of things. It does have coconut if you do have a coconut or soy issue, but for most part, it should be a great alternative if you can't have milk, which I personally cannot have milk, so I cannot have these, but I have seen this recipe and it looks really cool, so we'll see how it turns out. It is already starting to melt. I'll show it to you guys in a second when it kind of gets more liquidy. It is still a little bit stickier. I'm going to add just a little bit more olive oil. If you're making this in your dorm room, which you definitely can, if you don't have olive oil, water would work just fine. In a microwave bowl, just use like a glass bowl, like a ceramic or glass bowl, and kind of just stir it a few times. You can stop it, do it for like 30 seconds, and then stir it, and then put it back in for another 30 seconds, kind of just check on it. But it's definitely something you could also make in your dorm room if you just want a nice allergy-friendly treat. It's definitely getting gooey. So speaking about allergy-friendly treats, why we have the Teal Pumpkin Project, which was started by FARE, the big food allergy organization all around the U.S., is because everybody can have a food allergy, and you can't always say that there's just like the top 8 are the most common, but anybody can have an allergy on anything. I have a quinoa allergy, which is a very weird one, so by passing out food that you think is allergy friendly isn't always for everyone. So they started the Teal Pumpkin Project to let people know that there are non-food alternatives like we have in our bucket over here, which I can show you guys. Not drop it in the food, but we have glow sticks, bouncy balls, yo-yos. You can literally do anything. Stickers. I know some lady passed out dimes one year, which was pretty cool as an 8-year-old seeing money for Halloween, so that was really fun. Yeah, anything. So it's really nice because once you see a blue pumpkin or a teal pumpkin on a doorstep, you know that's a house that you can stop by that will be safe for your child and is inclusive for them as well. It is starting to get very melty, and it looks really good now. So I'm going to see if I can, it's hot. I'm going to turn the bowl so that you guys can see how the consistency is. It's like sticky, and it's very thick, which we want because that way the stuff will stick to the bananas a little bit better. I think I'm going to turn off this and just leave this on here. I'm going to turn it off because we don't want it to burn. And then I will take, so we got some popsicle sticks or straws and stuff that you can use. You can use a popsicle stick if you would like, but anything to kind of like attach it to the end. We're just gonna push that to the side for now so that we can start assembling our bananas. If I can get them off the bunch. So there we go. We're going to grab some things to kind of assemble it, and you kind of want to do this part quick from the directions. They say that you want to do it so that it sticks and you can see how like the eyes kind of attach. It doesn't like melt entirely. So I'm actually going to, this is kind of big and I don't think it will stick very well, so we're gonna try it by cutting or just breaking it in half and doing half at once. Doing like half kind of like that. And we're going to stick the popsicle things in there first. We'll try one of each, kind of see which one works better. We're gonna push this to this side. Okay. All right, so now we have our banana on our stick and we're just going to kind of just coat the banana in chocolate. Kind of get it all over. Kind of like fondue, you would kind of just like dip anything in. Get it all in because it will drip off, so it's okay to, or it'll drop right into the bowl, that's okay too. So we'll just get it all on there and we'll kind of just coat it. And then we'll put it on our plate and we'll have it sit there for a second. And it's okay to get messy. I am in early childhood major and my biggest thing is to learn you have to get messy. So if I look like this is why learning. You also know that now I make this again, I'll have more paper towels with me or something. Yeah, so we're just gonna open our chocolate chips for our eyes. Possibly. These things can be tricky sometimes. So we got Enjoy Life is a great company that is allergy friendly of gluten, wheat, peanuts, tree nuts, dairy, casein, soy, egg, sesame, sulfite, lupin, mustard, fish, shellfish, and crustaceans. All of those amazing things. So we're gonna take their chocolate chips and use some eyes for our bananas. So I got it. We're just gonna put it all on there. You can kind of just have fun with it. Kind of just make it however you want. Doesn't always matter how it looks, just matters how it tastes. So here are the two that we've had so far. It definitely melted a little bit, but if you put it in like a freezer, it will definitely, the chocolate will harden a little bit more. As you know, trial and error, every time you make a recipe, it might sometimes not come out exactly how you turned out. But like we said, tasting, it will all taste good. Food is great, so just kind of have fun with it. It doesn't have to be perfect. We have some other items on here. We have go-go squeezes that we thought we would talk about as a great allergy alternative. It's something that you can take on the go, so if you wanted to get these and just put them in your backpack, it is something that you can definitely easily access and have as a quick snack break between classes. And then something else we wanted to mention was our BGOC Declassified Food Allergy Survival Guide that just came out. Is a fridge magnet, and it is teal, just like our teal pumpkins, and it kind of just talks about places that are friendly to eat on campus and some survival tips for managing your allergies as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you enjoyed the recipe for October. We hope to bring you some more allergy-friendly recipes throughout the semesters, so stay tuned. Thank you.